Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a spoiler alert message like this one. So to do that, I'm just going to type in the movie is about spoiler alert here. I'm just going to type in randomly because why not? So I'm just going to select the spoiler alert that I want to. You can also make it bold before you make it like a spoiler. Then you're just going to add this. So when you press enter, it's going to still be in a bold font, but it's going to be like a spoiler alert one. If someone clicks on it, they're going to be able to see it. And that is how you can create a spoiler alert text message on Discord. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!